Right now, somewhere in this country, someone is training the AI that's going to replace them. They don't even know it yet. That's not a joke. That's not fear-mongering. That's just where we are. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly which jobs are on the chopping block, which ones are actually safe, and the one skill that's about to become more valuable than a college degree. Stick around till the end, because I'm also going to tell you the one thing almost nobody is talking about, and it's the part that should worry you the most. Let's get into it. Let's start with what's already happening, not what might happen in some sci-fi future. This is today. Customer service. Call centers used to employ millions of people in this country. Right now, companies are quietly replacing entire teams with AI voice agents that sound so human, most people can't tell the difference on the phone. Some of the biggest banks and airlines have already cut their support staff by double digits, and they're not slowing down. Copywriters and content writers. If your job was writing product descriptions, basic articles, or marketing copy, that work is being handled by AI right now today by companies trying to save money. Not because AI is better than a great writer, it's not, but because it's fast, it's cheap, and for a lot of businesses, good enough wins. Paralegals and junior legal researchers. AI can now read through thousands of pages of legal documents in seconds and pull out exactly what a lawyer needs. That used to take a team of paralegals a full week. Basic accounting and bookkeeping. If your job was mostly data entry, reconciling numbers, or filing, software can already do that faster and with fewer mistakes than a human. And truck dispatch, basic graphic design, translation work. The list keeps growing every single month. Here's the pattern. It's not that AI does the job perfectly. It's that AI does it well enough for a fraction of the cost, without needing benefits, without needing a lunch break, without ever getting tired. Now, before you panic, not everything is going away. There's a very clear pattern in what survives. Anything that requires a human body doing physical work in an unpredictable environment is still safe. Plumbers, electricians, HVAC techs, construction workers. A robot that can rewire a 100-year-old house or crawl under a sink still doesn't exist at scale, and won't for a long time. Anything built on deep trust and human judgment is safe. Therapists, nurses, doctors making real diagnoses, teachers who actually connect with kids. People don't want a robot holding their hand in a hospital bed. And here's the one that surprises people: high-level creative and strategic work is safe, but only the top tier. The best directors, the best designers, the best strategists. They are not being replaced. They're being handed AI tools that make them 10 times faster. It's the middle of the pack, the good enough jobs, that are getting squeezed out first. Here's what most videos on this topic won't tell you. It's not just about jobs disappearing. It's about attention. Right now, AI isn't just replacing workers. It's being built specifically to capture and hold your attention longer than any human-made system ever could. Algorithms that know what you'll watch next before you do. Chatbots designed to feel like a friend so you keep coming back. Recommendation systems that learn your emotional triggers better than people who have known you for years. This is the quiet side of the AI takeover. It's not just taking jobs, it's shaping how people think, what they buy, who they vote for, and how they spend every free hour of their day. And most people don't even notice it happening because it feels helpful. It feels convenient. That's exactly the point. So what do you actually do with this information? First, stop competing with AI on speed or cost. You will lose that fight every single time. Instead, compete on judgment, trust, and taste, things AI can imitate but can't genuinely have. Second, learn to work with AI, not against it. The people getting replaced right now aren't losing to AI. They are losing to someone in their same job who learned to use AI better and faster than they did. Third, pay attention to where human connection still matters. In healthcare, education, skilled trades, high-level creative work, those doors are still wide open, and they're going to stay open longer than most people think. The world isn't ending. But the rules changed, and a lot of people haven't gotten the memo yet. If this video actually opened your eyes a little, do me a favor, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow, and if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And here's a question for you, drop it in the comments. Is there a specific industry or job you want me to dig into next? Healthcare trucking teaching. Tell me down below and I'll build the next video around it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.